Welcome to Check Out the Rileys.
On the way to the farm, we seen an ice cream vendor. We call it dirty ice cream. As you can see in this video, there's Bill, there's the kids coming towards the dirty ice cream, and there's
So we decided to get out of the car and treat some kids to ice cream.
true.
As you see that wall right there, that is a basketball court.
Yeah.
So a lot of kids in there. So I start inviting kids over so I can buy them an ice cream. But I had to help, right?
He needs a translator, everyone. And guess what? Who's his translator?
Evangeline.
Whoa!
This is H2H.
Yeah.
You can see her there in the front of the cart. She's kind of behind the guy. But she's my translator. But what I didn't know was she knew the language like I did. So I had a translator that didn't even know what they were talking about either.
Yeah.
So what language do they talk in this area?
Ilonggo or Hiligaynon.
So
Evangeline speaks Tagalog and a little bit of Bisaya, and she's learning how to speak in Ilonggo.
but I didn't know that. I thought she knew everything. So I just started inviting kids over to get some ice cream. So I was trying to keep track of how many ice creams was going out. So I know
Who's
exactly.
counting?
I'm counting. So as he hands out an ice cream, but she's supposed to,
The dad's running.
kind of control the crowd.
Yeah.
And
They're
she's
very happy, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look how happy they are.
very much so.
Yeah. So Bill's looking at me, checking, see if I'll go out and join them.
I
But
thought she was coming out, and she was just being slow about coming out.
yeah,
But nope, she's back there filming.
yeah, they didn't know that I was filming.
So I'm just having fun right now, just trying to check to see which kids got ice cream yet, and which ones hasn't.
Yeah.
So the ice cream, this particular vendor sells ice cream cones for 10 pesos each.
Yeah.
So that's kind of easy to figure out how much we're spending, right? Just put a zero, and we know. So we ended up with 40 ice creams while we were standing there. And then, of course, we gave the vendor a little extra. But anyways, this was going on right here by this basketball court. And what you can't see in some of the video is how many people, like off to the side, there's like a group of people, and they're calling other
Yeah, and there's
people.
the coming, keep coming. Like one girl go and get their ice cream and calling some of the neighbors to come too. Yeah.
Which was fun. But see, there's me calling kids, hey, did you get one? Did you get one? So the kids are very much enjoying that I'm talking to them. And I'm asking them if they like ice cream. See there, I'm waving them. I see them coming. I was like, come on. Because I know my wife is in the car now. And she hasn't gotten out. So I already know what this means. There's a time limit.
Right. Yeah.
I'm trying to get as many kids to come over and get the ice cream as we can in the limited time. We were on our way to the farm, and this is just like one of the villages in, what's the name of that town?
Tantangan.
Tantangan.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Some of the kids had seen me before when I was Santa Claus. I stopped in this area. And
That's one of the videos.
check out those videos. But as you see, there's kids still jumping off the wall to the basketball court. People are just showing up. What I didn't know, I thought Evangeline told the parents it's okay to get ice cream. So I'm rolling with it. I'm counting. But I didn't know, she didn't tell him either, and I didn't tell him.
Yeah, the goal is just for kids.
So next thing you know, there's parents and older people getting ice cream as well. But, you know, it's okay. We stayed in our budget, so.
Right. So there, I drive the car. Look, I'm about to leave them.
She's like, hurry up, come on.
There, another town is coming. Come on. See? Yay.
So we had
they
a
keep
great
coming.
time.
Look,
We
they
had a
keep
great
coming.
time, and thank you for watching. Follow, subscribe.